The next company presenting will be Agam. Ofer Spottenheim will be presenting. I think we'll show a video from Agam first.
Agam presents the future car engine, 1/5 fuel consumption, 1/10 air pollution. Agam was founded by Dr. Gad Assaf, CTO, and Mr. Moshe Morocco, CEO, a retired IDF colonel. Agam's liquid ring rotating casing heat engine. 100 miles per gallon at 200 horsepower. Cleaner air. Saves $1 billion a day in the USA alone. Road efficiency of the piston engine has not changed since 1908 and remains at 10% only. The LLRC compressor and turbine are the key elements for new generations of vehicle heat engines. The proof of concept shows that mechanical efficiency exceeds 80%. Compressed cold air on the left is heated by exhaust air on the right before entering the combustion chamber where its temperature is elevated. Heat is being transmitted to the cold air through a thermal liquid pipe connection. Agam's engine is 5 times more efficient and environmental friendly. Agam is the future of vehicle engine. 100 miles per gallon at 200 horsepower in 2012. Agam heat engine, proof of concept.
This is advanced liquid ring compressor with rotating casing. The efficiency of this compressor is 82% as compared with 40% for a conventional liquid ring compressor. With 82%, we can build heat engine with an efficiency of 55%. And this is the base for our heat engine.
Agam heat engine is 5 times more efficient than a standard piston engine. 1/5 fuel consumption, 1/10 air pollution.
Now everybody knows that our compressor is working, and this is the basic innovation for our engine. A little bit of background. Agam Energy System, founded in 1999, develops 2 lines of products, heat engine line and heat pump line. I'm going to focus now on the heat engine. You are more than welcome to look at our website, to look at our other line. We're developing a new type of engine. This engine will be used first for power plants, and the year after the power plant stage, we will put it into a car. You saw it in the movie, but I will focus again on the people. On the people behind the innovation, because people saying that it doesn't matter only what you say, it matters who said it. Dr. Gad Assaf used to be a chief scientist in Ormat product Solmat, for the people who knows it. A lot of patents, a lot of scientific papers. 2 weeks ago, the Globes newspaper made an article about us, and they interviewed Yuda Bronitsky about Gad Assaf. Yuda Bronitsky said Gad Assaf is one of the most innovative minds he ever met. This is Gad. Our CEO is Moshe. He's sitting here at the 3rd row. Ex-colonel in the army, in one of the most elite unit of the IDF, the RD. I will not talk about which unit, but people can guess. Twice awarded the Israeli Defense Award, and when we emphasize the people behind it, we come with the big claims. And in order to claim these claims, you must have credibility. We believe these two persons have the credibility to claim this. A little bit techy, a little bit. This is a turbine-based engine. They are used for power plants, and we claim that we can do it better. What we were able to do with the compressor that we all saw and heard is to make this part more efficient than any other compressor. And in the second stage, we are able to cool it in the exit point. Since we are able to cool it in the exit point, we are able to do internal reuse of the heat from here at the exhaust point, where it comes out at 500 Celsius. We bring it with a simple exchanger into the combustion chamber, and that's the reason that we can make internal reuse. I'm not going to talk about it too much, but this is the main principle of our engine. Now, as we said, in the beginning we will use it for a power plant, but after, since we are able to make a 200 horsepower engine at the size of 19 centimeters, we will put it inside the car. Now the car will be, for the techie people, you can see fuel consumption, tense pollution, and with a better performance. This is the compressor. We also saw and heard it. I'm not going to talk about it. Patents, a lot of IP in the companies. This is for our 2 lines of products, but as you can see, we are spending a lot of money and time on the patents. Big claims, again, we wanted to make sure that we are not only dreamers. We went to one of the world experts in thermodynamics, Professor Yehuda Teitel from the Tel Aviv University, and he confirmed in writing that our engine will be almost 60% efficiency. This month, we received an announcement from the Ministry of National Infrastructure that they will support us. They chose us as one of 6 projects that they will support in R&D. It is not a big financial support, but rather it's a very good reference. Roadmap. We are here. 18 months, we will do the second stage of the compressor. Liquid rig turbine, which I didn't focus on the previous pages, but this is also not a typical liquid rig, and other parts like exchanger, etc. 18 months after, we will have the small to medium power station. These power stations are with efficiency of about 60%, which is higher or similar to the big co-generated power plants of the electric company, and we will do it in a very small measurements, a very small infrastructure. Up to here, we need 3 years and $8 million. A year after this stage, we will assemble this car, we will assemble the engine into a car. It will require, again, 1 year and $12 million. So we are talking totally of 48 months, $20 million US. It is not a big amount. It is not a big amount. We encourage you and the people, our friends from overseas, to look at our website, to contact us. We need the investment now. Questions? No questions? Hope it's a good sign.